Hi, welcome to this demo video about Hospital Management System. Hospital Management System has various sections to manage hospitals such as patients registration, appointments, prescriptions, vaccinations, patients queue, laboratory and radiology, operation theater, blood bank, pharmacy point of sale, hospital infrastructure, gynecology, dental care, HR, inventory, and a lot more. In this video, we will discuss managing patients and patient queues. To start, we will log into the system using our username and password. After login, go to the Patients menu. You will see a list of patients where you can search for patients, create a new patient, and edit existing patients. Click any patient to start editing it. You can add personal info of the patient as well as medical information in the Edit view. You can add lifestyle and dietary information about the patient. You can add and see medical history, allergies, vaccinations, visits, blood group info, and blood transfusion information about the patient. The buttons at the top are to see all the visits, radiology records, surgeries, payments, appointments, blood transfusions, medical checkups, and prescriptions related to the patient. Inpatients can be admitted into the hospital by clicking the Admin button. We can assign a room and bed to inpatients as well as manage doctor rounds and other things. Appointment section allows us to create, edit, and manage patient appointments. Patient queues manage patient visits for each department by creating and editing tokens. You can also print tokens by clicking the Print Token button. You can monitor queues in the Live Queue Monitor section. By clicking a record, you will see more details about the queue, such as who is currently being served, who is next, the related department, and other metrics. The Departments section helps configure different departments in a hospital. It also shows the number of employees, the related manager, and other hospital-related information. Treatments menu helps configure any treatments for patients. Vaccinations section is used to configure recurring or non-recurring vaccinations with the ability to apply prices and upload patient certificates. Doctors can use prescriptions section to prescribe medicine to patients. Prescribed medicine section lists all the medicine prescribed to patients in one place for reporting and analysis purpose. Use Communications section to schedule sending any messages or calls to your patients. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.